Vechain holder, this is very urgent update for all Vechain holder, my brother, because in the last 7 days, especially not last 7 days, and this complete month, my friends, they completely fails down. So in the start of month, every cryptocurrency you can see, my friend, this time they fails down very fastly, but this time Vechain has also fails down, my friend. But some coin you can see this time Theta Network, and you can see my file coin. These both coins, my friend, as moving upward, but definitely Vechain is one of the very bad coin, my friend. This time you can see a very bad result, but Vechain is one of the fastest coin. Everybody know this. To when they starting moving upward, then absolutely they go like a rocket. But definitely this month they give us very bad results. So therefore I'm very sad, my brother. You can see here the last 24-hour chart is on the screen. Let's start the prediction. But kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribe our YouTube channel. My brother, if you can see here, after a very long time fails, you can see here they take a very good jump. Now you can see here this time after a fails, you can see here. So after this jump, also they fails down. You can see here like that exactly, my friends. So you can see here they completely moving at this circulation. To after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down. You can see here. So exactly every cryptocurrency is moving at this style. So therefore, Vechain is also moving at this style. Absolutely, my friend. If we check out the latest update to what's going on in the current time, then absolutely we understand, my friends, there is a chance to them moving upward or not. Let's see, my friends. You can see this time the Vechain is one of the unique coin to them moving upward definitely very fastly and very good effort. You can see, my brother, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy to they give us a very good profit. 1.42 US% my friends. They're moving upward, and the price is 0.104169 USD dollar. It's a very good chain, my friends. You can see here. Especially congratulations for all Vechain holder, and there's a more chances to upcoming times they're moving upward. So you need to hold it for the end of this month, my brother. If you hold it exactly, they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.